Babydoll by Dominic Fike starts off with this D minor bar chord. First finger, 5th fret bar, and then we've got the 3rd finger on the 7th fret of the D string, the 4th string, pinky finger, 7th fret of the G string, the 3rd string, and then the 2nd finger on the 6th fret of the B string, that's the 2nd string. You don't want to hit the low E string in this chord. I'm going to strum down and then up, and we're just going to try and catch the E, B, and G strings on that up strum. So down, up, 1 E and da. So a little rest straight after that, and then an up strum, which is muted. So to do this, we just release the pressure on the fingers, but we still remain in contact with the strings. And then when we strum, we get that muted sound. We're going to move these fingers 3, 4, and 2 up a string set, and move the bar up as well. So we've got this A bar chord here. This is the 1st finger bar on the 5th fret again, 3rd finger on the 7th fret of the A string, that's the 5th string, pinky finger on the 7th fret of the D string, that's the 4th string, and then the 2nd finger on the 6th fret of the G string, that's the 3rd string. So that's going to be a down strum. So down on the D minor, up, little rest, up mute, A on a down strum. We've got another mute, so releasing the pressure on the left hand again, then an up strum on the A chord. So D minor, down, up, down, down, up, and then another up strum mute, and another down hit here on the A chord before we play 2 mutes down, up. So D minor, down, up, little rest, up mute, down strum on the A, down strum mute, up strum on the A, and then up strum mute, down strum on the A, then down up. Slowly. Again, D minor, A. I'm going to play that twice. We're then going to move down to a G minor chord. This is the 1st finger bar on the 3rd fret, 3rd finger on the 5th fret of the A, that's the 5th string, and then the pinky finger on the 5th fret of the D, that's the 4th string. All of the strings for this one. The rhythm is exactly the same, but we just stay on G minor for 2 bars. Got the down, up, mute, down, mute, up, mute, down, down, up, down, up, mute, down, mute, up, mute, down, down, up. So the whole thing slowly is D minor, A,